Hey guys, today let's learn how to stream live on YouTube with your iPhone. So if you guys want to go ahead and stream on the YouTube application using only your iPhone or your phone mobile device in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the YouTube applications and log on to your preferred YouTube accounts. I want you to go ahead and tap on this plus icon in the middle, and then as you see, this is going to allow me to go ahead and create the option to basically go live. So right now, you're currently seeing an option to basically accept something, but I'm going to show you guys what this is going to look like. And as you see right here, we have this option to go live right here on this section. All we need to do is go ahead and tap on that and then proceed with entering the preferred settings that we like, and then that's all that we need to do to go live on the YouTube application. And that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. That's how you guys could go live on YouTube. I'll see you guys in the next video, and basically subscribe and like this video if you guys learned something. And take care.